Alrighty, 1998 Toyota Corolla VE. Rear trunk, rear bumper, paint job using aerosol cans, rattle cans. So this is number 2. Using this automotive primer series. Duplicolor sandable primer. Alright, so coat number 2 here. First coat and video number 4 was a light coat. So we're gonna continue with the coating. I went ahead and put some clear tape over the Toyota VE and the Toyota. I'm gonna go white on that and clear coat it. But we'll see what happens. Again, my intention is not to primer the whole bumper here. That is not my intention at all. I just want to hit all the spots that I had removed all the metal. Yeah. Of course, we got some breezes, but that's okay. Yep, this stuff builds really nice. Nice and nice. Nice and nicey. Oops. Glad that I taped off my windows. Okay. Nobody would see that anyway, but I know it's there. Well, I guess it's a good thing to hold off with the breeze blowing. Yep. Alright, see here. See what we're looking at. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna get in there and get it some more. Alright. So we're going on to, I'm going to call this, still it's part 5. Part 5 we're going to have 2 and 3 coats combined. Okay. Oops. A little crazy there, that's all right. I'll have a little run or two. That's okay too. A little heavy. I'm getting tired. It's okay. It's all right. That's where sanding comes in. Whew, Lord. Been at this for a while now, boys and girls. But as you can tell, my energy's running down. Oops. Just trying to get you in there nice and close. Okay. Back you off a little bit. Whoops. All right, let's go again. A little slightly heavier coat this time. Yeah, I got some runs. It's all right. I'll sand them out. Ooh, Lord. Fun, fun, fun. We're getting it though. Alright. Sorry for all this fidgeting. I'm just really want to get this shot here. Right, looking good. Looking good. Yep. Do a little bit of sand action. Get this trunk here. Wow, got some serious breezes. Nice day for it though. Oh, oops. I'll just step back some. I think my camera's giving up the ghost to stand here. Only can tighten it up so much. Alright, I'll drop the rope a little bit. making adjustments on the fly. All right. I don't think you're picking up any of this spraying off the camera. So anyway, this concludes part 5. So part 5 consists of 2 and 3 coats together. I'm going to come back in 6 and I think we'll be done priming and we'll get on to painting.